Hi everyone, here is Rodrigo Lazo Campo, your everyday English teacher from Easy Training Speaking. And this is EasEnglish, your English learning program. Today I am back to you with lesson 232 part 2. Lesson 232 part 2 in Curso Básico Level 1. And you are going to do the activities. There are 3 activities in this lesson. One is about sketching and retelling the story. Another one is about expressing possession versus the plural of nouns. And the last is about compound words. If you think you would like to do activity 1 accurately and you feel that you don't remember at least some part of the information in part 1 of this lesson, I suggest that you take part 1 of the lesson again, as many times as you think it is needed, so that you can refresh your memory. Are you ready to get started? Well, let's go. This is activity 1. It consists in completing the sketch of the story in the lesson. In this sketch, we find 3 parts. One is about the characters, the people who take part in the lesson. There are 3. We don't know their names, but they are clearly identified. So you should just mention them in this part. The second part refers to the setting. That is to say, when and where the story occurs. When and where the story takes place. And you write that in this box. And the last part has to do with the plot. The plot refers to what happens in the story. So in this box, you are expected to write about every single detail of what happens in the story. And after you complete the sketch in writing, I would like you to do the same in talking. In other words, I would like you to pretend that you retell someone the story in minute detail. This is activity 2. As I said before, it is about expressing possession with nouns versus the plural of nouns. First of all, I suggest that you look at each of the 3 pictures carefully. And after looking at the pictures, you read the sentences in front. Let me read the sentences. This is the blank dog. There are 2 blank. The mouse is the blank friend. Below each sentence, there are 2 words. You will choose one in order to complete the sentence, the one that best completes the sentence. And last, you will use these 2 lines to make 2 sentences, 1 sentence on each line. Make sure that you use a possessive noun in each sentence. Do you remember I asked you to look at these 3 pictures carefully? Well, after looking at them, I hope that you have noticed that this girl or lady has a dog. She possesses a dog. She owns a dog. As to these 2 bikes, does this sentence convey the idea of possession or plural? And last, Let me tell you that this cat has a friend. It is the mouse. This is activity 3. It consists in cutting these words out and then pair them up in order to make compound words. I should note that the words in the first two rows, rows 1 and 2, are the first part in each compound word. And the words in rows 3 and 4 are the second part in each compound word. Let's say the words together. Row 1, dog, cook, milk. Row 2, any, home, rain. Row 3, bow, shake, thing. And row 4, work, book, and house. Well, dear students, I'm afraid this is all about the activities in lesson 232. It was a real pleasure to talk to you again, and I will be back with a new lesson quite soon, I hope. Thank you for listening. Goodbye now.